Namaste everyone, this is Sumit from Martial PO. Today we're going to practice handstand and we will learn how to get ourselves into it, and during the practice we can use some props and help ourselves to get into it. Here we go, this is Vrksasana position, which is known as to give a foundation to our shin. So from here we need to keep our knees slightly apart and sit comfortably on the heel, so we need to adjust our sitting bone on it. So from here we're going to go for the Adho Mukha Vrksasana. Take your fingertips on the ground, extend slight body and length as far as body allows you. Then place the palm on the ground, spread the finger, so press it down, your knuckles completely on the ground, and learn how you can get the good grip for the arm. And let's place the heel line on the ground and extend and observe yourself for a few breaths here. And from here, press the palm, press the shin completely on the ground. Come in tabletop position. When we will turn our face towards the wall, we will take a 1 palm distance from the wall. So that's how I'm going to just measure my distance from the wall. So I'm going to take my 1 palm distance from the wall and keep my hands parallel. As I already told you, your shin has to be apart hip width, your knee has to be apart hip width. So from here, when I will come into the downward facing dog, I need to adjust my body here, learn how to tilt the pelvis. So if you can focus on my pelvis, so I'm pulling my sitting bone up and pressing the hand to the ground and observing how I can press my knuckles and how I can give a good foundation to my hand here. So we make sure you're not collapsing your hand or pressing your elbow too much close in or bending too much out. It has to be aligned so our bone can get the good foundation here. So that's a down facing dog. From here, for those people who's trying this time, we need to learn how to give a body weight to our hand. From here, it's for those people, so we can bring our feet together here and just roll on our tippy toes or our knuckles. As you can see my feet, I'm rolling on my tippy toes. As I'm rolling on my tippy toes, I'm pressing my head away from me and pressing and hunching the upper back as far as I can do, and observing how my knuckles are sticking with the mat. And we make sure that in an elbow facing with each other so you can press them even onto the floor. And then we can repeat this for a couple of times. We can again get back into downward facing dog. From here again, bring your feet together, roll on the tippy toes and press. Those people who want to build the arm strength, it's good for those people. So from the downward facing dog, you need to step your 1 foot forward to the center of the mat, and 1 foot you can just slide back. So from here you need to just swing the back leg up. This way you learn how much you can pick up to see it. And from here, when you will swing the back leg up, you need to use the bottom foot to push the ground away from you. As you can see now, as I'm swinging my back leg, I'm going to press the wall and come up and then down again. We can repeat it. So when you will come down, you need to stretch your leg and come slowly on the mounts of the toes. So as you can see it again here, and I'm using straightening it and coming down and giving my body weight to my hand and coming all the way down. So every time when you will repeat it, you're going to switch your leg the same way and slowly come down. And back to our facing dog. And the full way, when you will try both sides, you can try with both legs. Bend the knees, jump, touch the wall on the tippies, and then you can extend your leg up. And try to hold yourself up here, bring your feet together, flex the other feet. Press in ground, and your hip should not drop against the wall. So once you will feel your hip is dropping against the wall, you need to tilt your pelvis to the posterior tilt. Pull tailbone to the heel and try to maintain, observe the core, observe the hand. You can look in between the palm, you can straight. And when you want to come down, bend one bar on your leg here, and the knee again, tippy toes, bring your heel close to the hip and bring your knees close to the chest and slowly back down into the downward facing dog, and give a rest a little bit to your hand shape. So you need to drop your knees on the ground, same position as the Vrksasana. You can take your hands back and take your heel line onto the ground. Once you come down to the handstand, you need to come into the Vrksasana position where your mind will get settled down. Yeah, I will give a slow rest so you will not get dizzy, and it will help you to start with your body again back to the neutral position, because you did lots of work up, step up when you will start in your handstand. And from here we'll use props, and all the props can help ourselves to get back to your deep handstand. So during the handstand, we're gonna take a strap here. We're gonna make a loop for the shoulder part according to our shoulder wideness, and need to put the strap just right above the elbow. So you're gonna support the elbow for those people who feel like shoulders are not ready yet to go up into the handstand. So here we go. We're gonna take the shoulder to the part loop. We're gonna put the rest of the tail of the loop on the center. Same thing. We're gonna take the arm sticks from the wall as we already have done it before, okay? And step our legs on the chin. So here, once we are here, we can come on the edge, or where you feel comfortable, you can press your legs there. Once we are there, we can tilt our pelvis. We can focus on my tailbone and keeping my legs straight. Those people who feel their hamstrings are tight, they can just bend their knees there. You just need to pay attention to the palms. You can push it down away from you. So once you are coming into the T shape, you need to tilt your pelvis and come the libido as we done it before. From here, you can bend one leg and stretch the other leg up. And then bend the knee, come down. Same thing you can do with it. Bend the knee, pull the sitting bone up and pull the leg all the way up. And then bend the knee, come down. And then you can come down. Take a little rest here, because we need a rest during the position as well. Because arms get tired. If you feel you're getting a pressure on the waist, you can do positions where you can place the palm underneath the feet and lift the chest and press the toes against the palm. And come back, or you can interlace the finger, clasp your finger, press the finger away. You're going to try again one more time. So you use the strap, as I already said, right above the elbow. Use the tail on the center of the mat. There you go. Take a palm stick from the wall. Come into the chair. Come on the chair. From here. Those people who have the tight hamstring, bend the knees. Those people who can come into it, come with a straight leg and stretch the leg all the way up and try to balance. And give your body all the way up. Hold as long as your body allows you. Bend the knee again, pull towards the chair, and slowly lower down. Come back down, you can sit on the chair. Take a couple of breaths, and we can repeat this a couple of times here. And that is how we use the props to help ourselves. You don't need to go up all the way. Once you're getting into it and you think like you're not ready to go into it, you can just take a few times to get yourself into the position to be 90 degree on the chair. And once you feel you are ready to go for it, so you can go one by one your leg up on the wall. And that's how we learn or give us strength in our body. We'll come back soon with the next video with the advanced handstand. For that, till then, thank you.